Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel.
We're glad you're here with us today. We're here to show you at our first day here in Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah, it's listed as the Hong Hotel, but it's more like a hostel from what I understand. So kind of show you around and show you our stay. We've been here for since
Since
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And
Today is Saturday.
yeah,
So we have one more night.
one more night and then we're catching a bus to Sukhothai.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. But we were gonna film several different times, but just didn't feel safe with all the traffic. So we're safe in our hotel. We can't get run over here. So I'm gonna flip you around, kind of show you around. It's actually a really nice, clean place to stay. Has lots of great reviews. The host is awesome.
He
so
is very friendly and awesome and takes extra care of you.
yeah, he went out of his way to come pick us up from the airport, and he's driven us around, got us to exchange, so we could exchange our currency and some other things. So
Yep. It's a great place.
he'll be taking us to one of the more popular temples tonight. We're going to try to do some filming there. But without further ado, I'm going to show you around. So if you're ever in Bangkok, Thailand area, you can look up the Kong Hotel, and we did it through booking.com.
Yep.
So, and we're not affiliated with anybody, so
No,
we're not
we
making
just-
any money or anything
No.
off of this videos, just to let you know. So we just wanted to show you this nice clean place. It's affordable and it's a great place so far. So turn you around, I'll show you our cute little room here. And we got a queen bed, and they're comfortable. They're harder than your typical
American
mattress, but they're comfortable. And we do have there's a twin, so like if you're staying with more than a couple, or if you have a kid or something, it's got plenty of room. And we do have an AC,
which is helpful because it's very warm here.
yes. Even if you're from, like, say Missouri or the South and you're used to humidity, this is a different humid heat.
Yeah, it's higher humidity.
We got fans and
Little desk.
desks that we set up there, and provided towels, shelving. If you need to hang up your clothes and you're gonna stay longer than a couple of days like us. And then the tile floor. It's a slick floor, so if you're staying here and you end up coming here to stay, you probably want to wear like a house shoe or something.
Yeah, because when you walk in the door, you take your shoes off.
Yeah, when you're Southeast Asia, it's kind of expected. It's a what do you say? Courtesy thing. That's just how they do
Respectful, whatever.
Yeah. And this is the main lobby. Shoes.
Come off over there.
Yeah. Entry door.
It has maps on the walls.
Information.
Wasn't sure that yet.
Yeah. So. Oh, sorry.
I'm trying to get out of your way, and you just darn with
I'm
me.
chasing her.
You don't want to look at the back of my head.
There's a nice little book library.
Most of what I've looked at is all in Thai, but
there's some other languages.
Somebody said that's staying here that there is some English ones.
And this part is not air conditioned, just the rooms are.
And they have fans. He has fans everywhere.
He has
too.
fans everywhere.
This is like part of the.
It's over there.
Here, probably.
This
is like the dining area. It's got stuff there.
I think this is. We haven't asked him, but I think you can use the paints and stuff. I think that's why they're there. And there is a TV out here if you want to sit out here and watch TV. We've been too busy too.
Yeah.
And some nice wall decoration.
Yep. Go up the stairs. And That's where
I
the
think
host
there's,
stays, and there might be more rooms up there, I think.
yeah, very possible. We haven't been up there and haven't asked if we can go up there, so
No.
we're not sure. But they got dishes and spices and
Small
you can use.
appliances for cooking. There's a
Fridge to keep your stuff in, a hot plate, rice
microwave,
cooker, all
toaster.
your appliances.
Yep. He's been providing the water, but you can buy your own water and other drinks and put in the
Yep.
fridge.
Yep.
You have access to all this cooking
And then you have a
appliances. Little
sink.
kitchen sink to wash whatever dishes you use.
And then they have these 2 showers, which are really nicely done.
So we've noticed, even on pictures of looking at other places to stay from here, that people have bathrooms with the showers as all part of the same room and not divided up.
Yes, it's very interesting. And there's another one that's pretty much identical right there. So this is where we've been staying, and we'll do some more recording, and hopefully a little later when we get to the
Temple.
the temple. My mind keeps going blank, but just wanted to give you a quick heads up of where we're at. We made it to Thailand, and we plan on doing a lot more filming.
Thanks for joining us today. If you like our channel and what we're showing you, hit the like and subscribe button.
Stick around if you want to see the craziness of the Thai people on motorcycles. We've got about 4 minutes that we'll be following this. It's pretty interesting to see how they run traffic here.
Yeah.
So
Enjoy that.
Enjoy that. Thanks.
We'll see you next time.
Bye. Here soon they'll all be piled way up here because that's where the restaurants are.
Yeah. some of those are running it. Hasn't changed yet.